At a time when the Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa has been caught on camera instructing his supporters to push for suspension of the constitution so he can extend his rule indefinitely, he has ironically declared himself to be so democratic. Sanapana mashoko panapa vanhu vakubuda vachibudisa mavidheos anoonekwa mutungamiri wenyika on stage ataura mashoko achiti aiwa vakomana kune maministers manyowani aiwa atoda kutesta kuti vari kuziva here the slogan panapa uye achitaura mashoko achiti aiwa is a constitutionalist. Todoba subscribe like or turn the bell like kuti mazvimubayonanyora chiti during a recent meeting with a selected group of editors Mnangagwa attempted to reaffirm his commitment to constitutionalism and term limits, even as growing evidence suggests he is laying the groundwork to remain in power beyond his legally mandated 2 terms. In response to a journalist's question about whether he would respect the constitutional limit on his presidency, Mnangagwa stated, I thought you are putting me very clear that I have 2 terms, and these terms are very definite, and I'm so democratic. When they come to an end, I'll step aside, and my party will let my successor that is as clear as day. Those who have other imaginations, is a democratic society for people to dream. These statements came as a contradiction to his recent remarks captured on video when he was heard instructing people to demand the suspension of parliament, a move that would effectively keep him in office beyond his current term. Ndo mashoko anobuda panapa vakomana avari kuunganidza vachitaura mashoko achiti aiwa vakomana izvi hazvisisiri clear, people aiwa vatova confused, vanhu vabatira aiwa hana dzavo mumaoko vasiri sure kuti mutungamiri wenyika achastepa down or not. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn the bell icon.